Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make an hairband, and these are the materials I'll be using: needle and thread, Ankara Fabric, scissors, UA gum, we'll be needing hairband, then we'll be needing tape rule. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please subscribe and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new tutorial. So guys, you cut out a fabric that is long enough to wrap your band, and the width is 2.5 inches is the width. Cut the one that is long enough to wrap your fabric. It will be with the help of our UA gum. We'll be wrapping the Ankara fabric to our hairband. So this is what I'm just applying UA to the band. Then you fold your Ankara fabric into two. This is the right side. Fold it to the right side. So you just keep wrapping. The rough side should be folded inside your band, just the way I am doing. At this point, you can decide to be handing your gum, or you just keep wrapping the way I am wrapping. I'll cut the excess fabric and we'll use our UA to hold it down. So this is this for the band. Now we are going to make the bow for the band. So for the bow, place your Ankara fabric this way, and you are going to get something round. We are going to trace it out. So this is 13 inches. So I'll place it. I'll use my pen to mark it out, and I'll cut it. can use anything that is round to trace out your own. So when I'm done, I will trace it out. Trace out the circle. So guys, I'm done cutting out, and this is the inside of my Ankara fabric, and this is the right side. So you place it this way and you pick your needle and thread. You're going to run running stitch around this fabric. So you start making your running stitch this way. This is running stitch. So you draw your stitch together when you are done. And you tie your thread. Cut it out. So guys, when this is done, we need to cover up this rough edge. So we make the cover. This is cover button skeleton. Just apply a bit of a UH gum inside, and you start folding on your fabric. Going to use this to cover up this rough work. So you can cut this off so that it can lay very flat on your bow. So you can either use UH for this want to do, or you use your hot glue. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using hot glue. So you just apply hot glue and apply hot glue. And hold your cover button down for it to dry. And when this is done, you can now pick your band. So you can decide to put it at the center, or at the side. So for the sake of this video, I'll be putting this at the center this way, just at one part of our band. You can put yours here. Meanwhile, you can also stitch with your needle and thread. For the sake of this video, I'll be using hot glue to glue this to the band. So you also hold it down for it to dry. So guys, I ended up adding gum to this edge and this edge, then the mid part, just for it to stay in place. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. So guys, this is the finish up of our Ankara headband. Comment, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.